Alright, I wanted to go over setting up the blog. So by default, your homepage will be your latest posts. Right now I've already set up the homepage. So the next thing that I need to do is set up the blog page. So the first thing we need to go is to our dashboard and create a page. So let's go ahead and add a new page. And let's go ahead and call this page blog. So then we're going to go under settings and readings, and by default you probably have your latest posts. Mark a static page and pick a home page, and then for post page we'll pick blog or whatever you've named that page, and then we'll click save. But I'm going to go ahead and add this to the menu real quick, that way I can reference it from the front end easier. So let's go ahead and go to our blog page, and it's already set up for us. It's really easy. So a couple things to note is that text for our blog is under theme options. There's a whole blog thing, so that's under appearance theme options. There's a blog tab. So things like the blog tagline, the read more text, and the sidebars can all be removed and customized under there. So next things next, let's go ahead and add a post and go over that. So let's add a post and call this one test post 1, and let's upload an image. I have some stock photos that I will upload. So you'd upload an image, and if you want it to be that set image cropped and resized for you, you're going to click use as featured image. That's key. And you'll know you've done it correctly when it shows up down there. Then you'll add a bunch of text. And yeah, so then actually I'm going to go ahead and just add some filler text for example's sake. Just add one paragraph. And you can add tags if you want, so tag here, and video code. I'll add another post example for that. So let's go ahead and view this now, our blog, and you'll see we have our test post 1 and our resized image and our tags underneath right here. So if you want to add more tags, you can do so as well. And you'll notice that our theme automatically, it's just a WordPress thing actually, it truncates this. It stops it from displaying everything. Otherwise, you'd get huge posts. And you can either let WordPress just do its best, and it'll basically cut off after a set characters count, or what you can do is what's called excerpt. And so here is the excerpt. And I'll update it, and you'll see that the excerpt displays here, but then when you click and view the page, it displays the actual post information. So it's just kind of something that's really nice. And by default, usually excerpt isn't on. I mean, it's going to be an on as a feature, but the box usually isn't there. And what you do is, while you're editing posts, is under screen options, just click excerpt, and it'll display. So if it's not there, just click excerpt, and it will be there every time in the future. So that is that. And let's go and just add a video example. And so for instance, I have some videos. So if we go to Vimeo, for example, and grab their embed code, it's the same thing for YouTube or anything like that. I copied their embed code and I'm going to paste it in. And I'm going to remove their paragraph. They add some description, so it's just the iframe code. And then I'm going to publish this. And instead of doing a featured image, basically you can put a video in that spot, and it's super easy. So that is the blog. It's super easy to use, and it's just basic WordPress functionality right there.